In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube is not supported on this device on your TV. If that message popped up out of nowhere, don't worry, this walkthrough will help you restore YouTube step by step. Start by making sure everything is up to date. On your TV, open the Google Play Store, search for the YouTube app, and look for an update button. If you see it, install the update. Outdated app versions can trigger compatibility errors, and a quick update often clears things up. Next, check for any TV firmware or system software updates. Go to your TV settings, look for System or About, and run a system update if one is available. Keeping both the app and the TV software current ensures they speak the same language. If the message persists, reset the YouTube app's stored files. On your TV, go to Settings. Then Apps or Applications, find YouTube, open Storage and select Clear Cache. And then Clear Data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be corrupt, while clearing data fully resets the app to its default state. This will sign you out of YouTube and erase app preferences, so be ready to sign back in afterward. When you are done, restart the TV to apply the changes cleanly. If you are still stuck, reinstall the app. You can either uninstall just the app updates or remove the app entirely and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Reinstalling gives you a fresh copy of the app files and can resolve persistent glitches that survive the cache and data reset. Next, power cycle the TV. Turn it off and unplug it from power for 1 to 2 minutes. This fully discharges the components and clears any lingering issues in memory or the network stack. Plug it back in, turn it on, and try launching YouTube again. Finally, consider your network. If you are using a mobile hotspot, try changing the hotspot security to none temporarily to test whether strict security settings are blocking the app. Only do this briefly for troubleshooting and restore security immediately afterward. If possible, switch from the hotspot to a stable Wi-Fi network to rule out bandwidth limits or strict carrier restrictions that can interfere with streaming apps. Work through these steps in order. Testing YouTube after each one. In most cases, an update, a clean reset, or a quick power cycle brings YouTube back to life. Thanks for watching.